Adobe Spark has several apps, but we're going to focus on Adobe Spark Video. First, click on the plus at the top and choose Video. Don't worry about naming your video right now, just skip that step, and we are going to start from scratch rather than choosing a template. Get started by adding a video, photo or text. Then you can add more slides. Reorder your slides as much as you'd like. And you can select from multiple themes. You may wish to resize your video between widescreen and square. One of the best things about Spark though is that you can record a narration, and if you don't like your recording you can easily remove it and try again until you're happy. Choosing a music track or uploading your own is also simple. You can also preview your video at any time.